Okay, children, the time now is 5:30. Let's begin lesson. All right, so this is the house rule you all can read by yourself. All right, let's go into last week's homework immediately. So last week I gave you one homework. All right, last week I gave you one homework about Bernard. All right, my name is Bern, but I'm not nerd. Huh? That's why my name is Bern only, not nerd. Huh? All right, so Bernard had this amount of money. He bought two things. One is a calculator and one is a pencil case. We have the price of the calculator, and after doing so, there is the left amount. How much did the pencil case cost? All right. Can you all please try to work it out? Yes, Caleb, I saw your answer. Thank you so much. Your answer is correct. All right. Once you get the answer, can you please key into the chat, please? All right. I need about 3 of you to get the correct answer before I go through. Is that okay? So Caleb already gave me one answer. Thank you so much, Caleb. All right. Go to the chat and key in. All right. Go to the chat and key in the answer. Right, it's not difficult. It's not difficult. It's about money, money, money. It's so funny. All right. Vera, you can also try. You can take out a rough paper and you can write down the workings. Can just give me the final answer. All right, give you some time. Hello, Ruben. Hello, how are things with you, Ruben? Good, right? Wow, you got a nice dark picture at the back of your background. That's cool, huh? Right, you guys, do you draw that yourself, Ruben? Do you draw the?
Wait.
Oh wait, okay, sorry, wait. Hey Jane, you're moving around your house, is it? You're showing you are trying to recommend your place. This is the living room and this is the kitchen, is it, Jane? So cute like you.
Mr. Ban, I also brought my iPad for the Kahoot today.
Oh, very good. Yes, yes. Later we'll be having a Kahoot session. All right, you will be in the mid of the lesson. All right, but now let's try to handle all these big questions first. Hello, Lavanya. Hello, how are you today? All right, come. Anybody else? All right, it's just about plus and minus only, children. Come on, don't make things difficult. All right, try your best. You can do it. Hello, Ilhan. Ilhan, can I change your name for you? Is it okay that I rename you? Okay, very good. Thank you so much. All right, so Ilhan, I just renamed your name for you. Yeah, because I don't have your that previous name in the attendance list, so I'm just checking in. All right, so there's another student. Hello, children. Can you please try this question, please?
Mr. Ban, I already tried it.
Yeah. I know. I mean, I'm talking to the rest. All right, I need another 2 more answers, please. All right, Caleb, I know you got the answer. Really good job. Evan, can you rename yourself, please, Evan? All right, only Caleb gave me the answer. Come on. Oh, Lavanya, no. All right, thank you for trying. But I think the answer is incorrect. Because, hey, how much did the pencil case cost? And you give me an answer, $219. How can that be? All right, Lavanya, something's wrong, right? The answer. Can you please try again? Is there carelessness somewhere? All right, children, please remember plus, minus, times, divide, right? Cannot make any careless mistake one. It's very, very hurtful. All right. So there's a student called Rosny, is it? All right. Did I pronounce your name correctly, Rosny? Yes, okay, very good. Thank you for so you are also one of the okay, Ken? Rosny. All right, but Rosny, your username is called Ross, right? Inside the 88 Tuition, do you know that? Okay, very good. That's you. That's you. All right, because I'm trying to mark attendance right now. All right, and the number of students is a little bit a lot. All right, so I'm trying to get everybody. Yes, Shiloh, what's your answer? You raise your hand.
Is my answer correct? I did put in the chat.
No, I didn't see your answer in the chat. Can you please type it in again? I never see your answer. Can you please type it in again, Shiloh? Oh, Vanishnavi, good job. Woo! All right, so we have Vanishnavi getting right. We have Caleb getting it right. Good job. Wow. Can I have another one? Lavanya also got it right. Hey, good job. Wow, you see, children, given time, right? Given time, you are able to do it. All right, and this is about money. Yes, Ilhan also. Wow, boy power. All right, good job. Shiloh, your answer is incorrect, but thanks for trying. All right, good job, huh? All right, Shanice, you're trying. That's it. Let's continue trying. All right, it's okay. All right, so children, as you can see, right, the first step into mathematics is to what? Is to try. All right, if you try and you try to get it right, you can do it one. Hello, Anne. All right, is that you, Anne? Okay, okay. All right, so let me just draw out the model for you. Let me just draw out the model for you. All right, then maybe along the way, some of you will still get it. All right, I'm very happy already. There's a lot of you got it already. All right, so let me just draw out the model. So in this particular question, we have Bernard, not Bernard, Bernard. So Bernard has this total amount. All right, so if you don't know, children, if you don't know, always try to draw model. So this is the total amount that Bernard has. All right, and how much he has? He has $120. Is that okay? Avon, I think you got calculation error. Avon, you are very close. I think it's your calculation error. Oh my goodness. Children, try not to make careless mistake. Ayo, it's very, very painful. All right, come. So what did Bernard do? Bernard bought a calculator, and the calculator is this portion. All right. So this part is he bought a calculator. Calculator. And how much is the calculator? It's $34.50. Okay. Then what happened? He also bought a pencil case. All right. He went to buy a pencil case also. Down here is a pencil case. Is that true? But I don't know. I don't know how much he spent on the pencil case. I don't know. So this portion, I don't know. All right. This portion is question mark. And after everything, he's left with what? He's left with $64.70. So this portion down here, the green color portion is what he's left with. He's left with $64.70. Children, what do you see? What do you see? Oh, is this like a part whole model? You got the total. You got the calculator. You got the leftover. What can you do? All right, you can actually take these two numbers to add them up first. All right, to find out what is the total that is in the diagram. All right, so this is the calculator and this is what is left. Are you okay? All right. So children, remember when you add money, when you add money, the decimal dot must be in line. Look. $34.50 and $64.70. Look, children. The dot must be in line. All right, the dot must be in line. Can you see that? All right, so when you add or subtract money, right, the dot must be in line. So let me go and plus this portion up first. Okay? So 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is a 12. 4 plus 4 is a 8 plus 1 is a 9. 6 plus 3 is a 9. All right. So how much was spent? All right. How much was spent on the calculator? $34.50. How much was left? Left is $64.70. So these two red color will become $99.20. Right. Come. Shanice, I want you to help me. Shanice, what is the last step? How to find the pencil case? Please help me. How do you find the pencil case? Tell me. Look at my diagram. I have the total already, right? I have the calculator. Yeah, very good. Smart girl. All right. So you have the total. All right. You have the calculator and you also have the left ready. What do you do? You subtract to find the question mark. Very smart. So you have $120 is the total minus away your $99.20. And what's the answer? Children, remember the dot must be in line, huh? So the 120 is down here. But where's the dot? If the dot is missing, right? If the dot is missing, it's always at the back. Can you see not? So sometimes we write money like that, right? So for example, $7 is correct. Like that also correct. Look, 7.00. This is correct also. Can you see not? So the decimal dot is always at the back of the number. You can put in your 2 zeros at the back also. minus $99.20. $99.20. Remember the dot. All right, must be in line. Can you see? Yeah, that's the way to do it for decimals. Can? Okay, come. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 2, not enough. Then how? Borrow. Borrow from here. This is a 1. This is a 9. This is a 10. Faster. 10 minus 2 is a 8. That's how people get the 80 cent. 9 minus 9 is a 0. 1 cannot minus 9, borrow. This is a 0. This is a 1. 11 minus 9 is a 20. Even. Can you see now? Your answer is so close. You give me $30.20, but the answer is $20.80. All right, sorry. Even your answer was $30.80, right? Yeah. So I think you did a bit of the subtraction wrongly. All right, a bit of careless. All right, so children, is this question difficult? Not difficult. Not difficult if you draw your model. All right, so when in doubt, right? When you are in doubt, don't just give up. Don't just say don't know how to do. Don't do that. All right, at least you draw your model, you'll be able to see certain things. All right, so good job to Vanishnavi, Ilhan, Lavanya, all right, and also Caleb for getting the right answer. Good job. All right, and Shanice also, you got it also. Good job. All right, so children, really, first step is to try. All right, if you don't try right, you will not be able to do any question. Then you will complain, Mommy, Daddy, math is so difficult. No, it's not. Take the first step to try. All right, so we'll go step by step. Don't worry so much. Is that okay? Hello, Anne. Are you okay, Anne? Can you hear me? Anne? Okay, very good.
But I cannot hear you.
Caleb, you cannot hear me? The rest can hear me, right? Okay, very good. Caleb, you might want to go to certain area whereby your Wi-Fi is a bit stronger. All right, then you can hear me better. Is that okay? Okay, come, children. All right, so every time, right, every lesson, right, I will start off with one question. All right, every lesson, I will start off with one exam question from some school. All right, so this is the one. Okay, can you all please try this question? It's not difficult. Just try. All right, once you get the answer, go to the chat and key in the answer. All right, once you got the answer, go to the chat and key in the answer, please. Can you please try? Hello, Wei-Le, is that you? Wei-Le, is it okay that I rename your name for you to Wei-Le? All right, I think Karen is your mom's name, right? So I rename it to Wei-Le. Ken, is it okay? Okay, thank you. And Wei-Le, if your camera is working, can I trouble you to on your camera? Thank you so much. All right, come, children. This one question, very simple only. All right, it's not difficult. Come on, try. Avon, your answer is incorrect, but thanks for trying. All right, try again, please, Avon. Lavanya, not bad, huh? Wow, this girl, huh? All right, I think Lavanya got the answer already. Or is it? All right, Vanishnavi also got the answer. Good job. Wow. 2%. Girl power. Hey, where are the boys, huh? Ilhan, are you sure is that the answer? Would you like to check again? And thank you for trying, but that is not the answer. All right. At least now more of you are participating. That's good. Thank you so much. All right. It's not difficult, but just try. All right. If you get it wrong, at least you learn from it. Understand or not? All right, children. Okay, as I say, the first step is for you to try. Yes, Avon, boy power. This is the first boy who got it. Thank you so much. Ruben, no. Thanks for trying, but your answer is incorrect. Right, Shiloh, any answers from you? And children, it's okay to count with your fingers, huh? Do you know that I'm at this age, I'm also counting my fingers? It's perfectly okay. All right. All right, so Vanishnavi, Lavanya got it already. Come on, Ava got it already. Shiloh, the answer is incorrect.